My name's Neil Lamb and I'm a Principal Lecturer at Robert Gordon University in Architecture. I want to talk to you today about one of the most existential threats to our civilization, which is climate change. In the last year in the northeast of Scotland, we've seen some very important changes and extremes in climate effect, particularly centred around the coastal town of Stonehaven. And this year I'm working with a group of students looking at how to protect that coastal town. What our students are imagining is a series of institutes that would be located around the country as beacons where people can go to find out and get information about flood protection. As climate change evolves and changes, we're going to see more and more extreme weather patterns. This year has brought some incredibly heavy rain and very heavy tides and seas. Floods are going to come from both directions, and the students and ourselves are thinking about ways in which we could mitigate against those problems. So the idea of these flood defence institutes is to create a chain of them around the UK. And there would be one located in Stonehaven, which would be a base for people to come and find out about how and what climate change is going to affect them. And of course, what can you do about it? Because that's the most important thing. You want to take action now. You don't want to be waiting until the water is with you. You want to know how you can prepare and think ahead. So we need a place for this to happen, and that's what the students are creating at the moment. A place, a haven for people to go to, and a place to learn about climate change and its effects on them particularly.